Hi everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel, or if you're new here, welcome to the channel. Nowadays, how do you deal with your exams? Since the exams has been started, I decided to make a video about what I usually carry in my bag for exam sessions. And I hope it can be useful for those of you tackling with your exams and need to get ready for. So without further ado, let's dive into the video. I have an old black bag that is almost 5 or 6 years old. It has 3 spaces and this cute hanger, which makes the bag more cuter. Here's the inner texture of the bag that I think is pretty classic. So the first item that I put in the first zip are my glasses that I use for my studying, and also I got it for my computer lighting. So after all, I can use it when I'm taking the exam. And the second option is my watch. Actually, I just put it in my bag, but I will use it surely on my wrist. It's up to you. Lip balm in advance. It's better to be in your bag as a handy tool for putting it on before your attendance or after you feel your lips got dried instantly. I don't know about you, but I'm gonna put my lip balms in my bags. No matter what type it is, it will come so useful. And let's head over to open the second zip. I considered some chocolates, as almost every exam period is lengthy, so we can carry some candies, sweets, etc. not to be starving. Kidding, to just regain enough stamina. Moving to the last space, crucial stationeries and tools that are needed to have at least. I'll take 2 pencils, one mechanical pen and the other one just the usual type. Make sure to bring at least 2 pencils if you have, just in case if one got lost. Here's one of the most helpful and suggested tool, protractor. You can take it for your math exams. You also can replace it with ruler, as it can do both tasks at the same time. And the next is eraser. And the last items, there are lead pencils and the pen. I'll use this thin tip pen, which helped me to fill the answer boxes in a cohesive and neater way. And yeah, that's it. I hope it can be useful for you and enjoy it. And if you did, make sure to give it a thumbs up and also subscribe to the channel. Good luck with your exams and have the best preparation ever. Wish you the best. I'll see you in the next video. Bye.